Hello everybody, I just completed my 7,000th DoorDash delivery, delivering for DoorDash. Yes, 7,000. And I dash here in Toledo, Ohio. I have maybe a few tips I'd like to give for you, so hang on, I'm going to give you those in just a minute. But 7,000, I started in October of 2019, and pretty much went full-time kind of right around the COVID hit. In the March or April, I got let go of my sales job that I had, and I just decided to go do DoorDash full time because I really appreciate my freedom. I am involved with a group of people that believe in freedom through principle-centered leadership is our motto, and I constantly strive to produce income for myself each and every day. One thing I do in addition to DoorDash is I do affiliate marketing. And if you'd like to have some more information on that, please click my link in the pinned post, CraigLeidheiser.com/DoorDash. In there I give you all my best DoorDash tips. It's a PDF. It comes completely free to you. And I give you all my DoorDash tips and how you can make additional money doing affiliate marketing. You can do affiliate marketing an hour in the morning before you go DoorDashing, and then spend the rest of the time DoorDashing if you want, or come back and do it in the evening. But it really only takes about an hour a day. And in the description, I have a link for a 185 free page book on affiliate marketing. It's called the 30-Minute Workday, and I'll have that in the description on the video below this. But one couple tips that I do want to give for any of you new dashers that are out there is know the market that you're dashing in. It may take some time, but know each restaurant that you deliver in. I deliver in Toledo. I pretty much know every restaurant that I can go through the drive-thru. I know every restaurant that I can go into. I know every restaurant that I know it's going to take a long time, so I just ignore those restaurants altogether. And that's the main thing for you, because you always want to be moving forward. You always want to constantly be aware of how much money you can make in the time that you're out dashing. If you're out dashing 3 or 4 hours, set yourself a goal for every 3 hours. I want to make X amount of money. For me, it's usually about $60 every 3 hours. Sometimes that doesn't work. Like if it's between 2 and let's say between lunch and dinner, or right after dinner before the evening rush starts. But generally speaking, set a goal for yourself for every 3 hour period of time and work and accept the orders that you want in order to get to that level. But that's generally speaking. But definitely know your market. It'll take you some time to get to every restaurant, but kind of know what they are, and that way you'll be able to just make better decisions when you're accepting offers or not. So really important to know your numbers. Also, it's very important to keep hydrated. I drink 4 1-liter bottles a day while I'm out dashing, and I keep myself hydrated. And also want to concentrate on getting out and doing a little bit of exercise. At least get out and try to walk for 20 minutes a day if you can, or go to the gym or whatever. Try to get exercise, because once your butt's planted in that chair, you're not going to get too much exercise for the day except for walking the order up to the door. So try to get yourself some exercise in. But with that, guys, congratulations to me, 7,000 deliveries. It took me about 3 years to do it, but I'm happy I got to that. The next milestone is going to be on to 10,000 deliveries, and we'll see how that goes. So with that, guys, hit the like button, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, because I got more DoorDash tips and affiliate marketing tips on my YouTube channel. So with that, guys, take care, keep dashing, and be safe out there.